Hey everyone, welcome to today's video, and in this video we are going to differentiate this particular function using the concepts of differentiation. So the very first thing which I am going to do is I am going to assign a variable to this function. So let us say that the value of y is equal to log of sine of x square. Now the second substitution that we will be making is that this internal function here will again be substituted as a new variable. So let the value of u is equal to sine of x square. So now that means that our original question y is equal to log of u. Now after this, what we are going to do is we are going to take the differentiation on both the sides of the equation. Now since on this side, this particular side here, the independent variable is u, so that means this will be d by du of y, and then on this side as well we will have d by du of log u. So let us differentiate this. So on this side we will have dy by du, and differentiation of log is 1 upon x. So in this case we have a u over here, so this will be 1 divided by u. Let us say this is equation number 1. Now as far as this particular question is concerned, so in order to calculate the value of dy by dx, we need to calculate the value of dy by du and then multiply this by du by dx. And if you notice, the du part will get cancelled out and eventually we have dy by dx. So now the remaining du by dx part will be calculated from this side. So du by dx will be equal to d by dx of sine of x square. Now on this side we will be following a simple chain rule. So the rule says that d by dx of sine of x square will be cos of x square, and then we will multiply this again by d by dx of x square. So now that means that the value of du by dx is equal to cos of x square multiplied by 2x. Now let us substitute all the values together onto this side. So dy by du is 1 divided by u multiplied by du by dx. So du by dx is cos of x square multiplied by 2x, but the value of u is sine of x square, so this would be 1 divided by sine of x square multiplied by cos of x square multiplied by 2x. Now if you notice, on the left hand side we have dy by dx, and on this side we have cos divided by sine, which is cot of x square, and 2x remains intact. So that means the final answer that we were looking for is cot of x square multiplied by 2x. So I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.